How to transfer notes from Android to Android. First of all, let's navigate and open the Notes app. From the top of the screen, tap on the gear icon to open settings, and then from this page open Xiaomi Cloud. On the next page, you will find Cloud Sync option and tap on View All next to it. Here you will see a list of apps. Simply find the notes and open that. Here, make sure the sync this device to cloud is toggle on. Once it's done, let's go back, and in the other device make sure to use the same cloud, and this way you can transfer note from Android to Android. Also, if you want to share it, simply open the note that you want to share. From the top, tap on the arrow icon and it will allow you to share this note as text or picture. And that's it. This is how you can transfer notes from Android to Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.